In this guide, I will show you how to publish a paperback book like this in KDP. You can use the timestamps to navigate this video, which can be found in the description below. Keep watching.
The Evelyn Winters Adventure.
First, sign into KDP and make sure you are on the bookshelf page. Under Create a New Title, select Paperback. Choose your book's primary language. Next, enter your title as it appears on your book cover. You can learn more about entering your title information by clicking here. Read the title's do's and don'ts. You must enter it as it appears on your book cover, nothing more or less. Also, the title must be the same for both your paperback and e-book versions, so that they can be linked. Mine does not have a subtitle. If your book is part of a series, you can add the details here. Add your edition number here. This relates to a particular version of the book. If the book has been published before and the version you are publishing now has significant changes, you will enter 2 as your version number. If it's the first time you have published it, it will be 1. You are then asked for the primary author. Next, you can add contributors. These can include editors, illustrators and translators, among others. You can add more contributors by clicking here. Now we need to add a book description, which will appear on your Amazon detail page. It's the reader's first experience with the content of your book. A well-written description creates interest. Head over to KDP's detail resources for more information on book descriptions. KDP recommend following 3 simple steps which make it simple, compelling and professional. They also ask you to use HTML, so you can include formatting such as line breaks, bold and italics. For a free HTML editor, open Google and type HTML WYSIWYG editor. I'm going to use html5editor.net. You will paste your description here. I have mine in a Word document and have already formatted it. Copy and paste here. You can edit the formatting on here. Once complete, highlight the HTML and right-click to copy. Now paste into KDP's description box. Now we need to add our publishing rights. Choose this option if your book is under copyright and you hold the rights to the content. Or select this option if you are publishing a public domain book. This can vary between countries, so you need to do your research. You'll be asked to identify your territory rights. Now you need to select 7 keywords that describe your book. This is how readers find your book when they browse on Amazon. These can include short words and phrases. Go back to the book detail resources and select keywords. Watch the video about discovering metadata, then research and make a note of the keywords and phrases you are going to use. Here is a tip for discovering keywords. Open a page in Google Chrome and select New Incognito window, as this does not store any browsing history to affect your research. Go to the Amazon page and start typing your keywords and phrases into the search bar. It will then list other commonly searched for phrases. Pick out ones which are relevant to your book. Next we choose categories. This is where users find your book. You can select 2. Select large print if this is relevant. If your book contains language, situations or images which are inappropriate for children under 18 years of age, you need to select yes. If not, no. Now save and continue. The next step is the ISBN. All paperbacks are required to have a unique ISBN. This is a 10-digit number assigned to your book and will appear on the bottom right of the back cover. You can choose to have a free KDP ISBN or use one of your own which you may have purchased. Using a free KDP ISBN means it can only be used on KDP for distribution to Amazon and its partners. It cannot be used with another publisher or publishing service. Purchasing your own will give you more freedom. I am going to assign the KDP ISBN. You can enter a date here on when your book was first published, but if you are publishing it for the first time, you can leave this blank. Now select your print options. I am choosing black and white interior with cream paper. Next is the trim size. This refers to your book dimensions as it will be printed. If you want to know more about this, you can watch my video on how to format your manuscript. There is a link in the description box below. Click on select a different size to change the default. Look for your manuscript's trim size. Mine is 5 by 8 inches. You can also use a self-defined trim size. Again, you can watch a video on how to do this. There is a link in the description box below. You need to choose a bleed setting. Note, bleed is PDF only. Bleed means setting your interior to allow printing at or off the edge of the page, usually for books with images. Most books use no bleed. Choose your paperback cover finish of either matte or glossy. The next step is to upload your manuscript. KDP recommends using a formatted PDF file for the best results, but you can use docx, HTML and RTF. Here is how you can save your Word file to PDF. Open your manuscript, select File, Save As, and change the file type here to PDF. And then save. Upload your manuscript. Now for the book cover. You can either use KDP's cover creator or upload your own. Click here to use the cover creator, or select here to upload your own cover. Please note it has to be a print-ready PDF. If you haven't already watched them, I have a couple of videos showing you all the steps on how to make a book cover using Canva and Publisher. See the description box below. Now upload your cover. You will need to select this checkbox here if the cover you're uploading includes a barcode. If you don't, they will add one for you. Now we will preview the book. Launch Previewer. I've speeded this up for you, but it will take a bit of time when you upload yours as it prepares the file. And here it is. Print Previewer will list what it finds here and show you what it has fixed. These are links to the pages. You can turn the pages by clicking here or by pressing the arrows on your keyboard. You can also use thumbnail view. I've created this cool flip page, so it's important to check it's in the right place and that it works. If you need to make changes, you can click here to exit Print Previewer. Once you've made your changes, you can upload your manuscript again. Once you are happy with your book and everything is fixed, click Approve. A summary will appear with your book details and printing cost. Save and continue. Now we need to select the territories. You can select this option if you hold worldwide rights for your book. Click here to learn more. If your book is your original content and you've never published it before, you most likely have the worldwide rights. If you don't hold worldwide rights, for instance, if it is in the public domain, it can be different from country to country. You need to choose the territory in which you hold the rights. We are now going to set our pricing and royalty. Choose your primary marketplace from the list. Check the minimum list price. This ensures the print costs are covered. Enter a list price, which will automatically calculate your royalty. The expanded distribution helps your book reach more readers through bookstores, online retailers, libraries and academic institutions. Select the checkbox to enrol. If you do choose to enrol your book in expanded distribution, please note that the royalty rate is 40%. It can take up to 72 hours for your book to become available on Amazon. That's if there are no issues. If they do find issues, KDP will let you know so that you can fix them. Your book status will change from in review to live once available on Amazon. You can check this on your KDP bookshelf. By clicking Publish, you are agreeing to and complying with KDP's terms and conditions. You can request printed proofs of your book and can order these when your book goes live for the price of the print cost. So here we go, I'm going to publish my paperback book. It has now been submitted for review, so KDP will ensure it meets their guidelines for book details, content and quality. This will take up to 72 hours. You can also start your ebook by clicking on this link if you choose to, or you can do this later. And here is the email to confirm my book is now available in the Amazon store. And here is the actual book. The cover feels strong. The paper is good quality. Here is my cool flip page. If you find anything you want to change, just amend your manuscript and upload again to KDP. Publish and the new changes will be available in 72 hours. Please subscribe for more videos like this.